Hello, students. Welcome to the digital classroom. This is the third part of revision in which I will discuss about comprehension. The word comprehension means the ability to understand what you listen or what you read. It is an exercise which aims at improving testing one's ability or one's understanding a language. In school, each week you were taught a new lesson which was unseen to you before you read them. Now, just like that, in comprehension test, you are given a passage or a paragraph or more than one paragraph. These paragraphs show the idea or mood concerning issues, their solutions that the author provides. Your main task is to answer the questions asked from the passage. Now, there are some points that should be kept in the mind. Let's see what the points are. First point, read the passage fairly quickly to get the general idea. Means you have to read the passage as quick as possible because you will have a limited time. Second point, read again a little slowly as to know the details. Now the second time when you will be reading, you have to understand the main details. You have to understand the keywords, and then you have to translate a complex line, or you can say a complex idea in that passage, in an easy one, in your own words, in your own language, so that later on, in understanding any question, you won't be getting any problem. Now, the next point, underline the keywords. Now, when the second time when you will be reading the passage, I suggest you to underline the keywords. Use completed sentences. There is a misprint. It should be use complete sentences or completed sentences. Means the sentences, suppose when you are answering the questions, your answers, the sentences which you use in your answers should be complete. It should not be in a phrase, in the format of a phrase. Okay, so it should be a complete sentence. Then use indirect speech. Means you're not supposed to quote exactly the paragraph, exactly the words, the way they are written in the passage. So you are suggested to write in your own words, in your own language. You have to use your own translation. Now, on asking the meaning, express your ideas clearly in your own words. The same thing is also expressed in the last point too. Now, there is one example, there is a one passage about dolphins. I'm going to read it out, and this passage, along with some questions, will be your assignment homework. So, I'm reading it out and I will explain you. Dolphins are regarded as the friendliest creatures in the sea, and the stories of them helping drowning sailors have been common since Roman times. The more we learn about dolphins, the more we realize that their society is more complex than people previously imagined. They look after other dolphins when they are ill, care for pregnant mothers, and protect the weakest in the community, as we do. Some scientists have suggested that dolphins have a language, but it is more probable that they communicate with one another without needing words. Could any of these mammals be more intelligent than man? Certainly, the most common argument in favor of man's superiority over them, that we can kill them more easily than they kill us, is the least satisfactory. On the contrary, the more we discover about these remarkable creatures, the less we appear superior when we destroy them. So, the common message that the author wants to convey with the help of this passage, that human beings regard themselves, human beings call themselves superior, but actually they are not superior just because they have. Means they can kill any creature of this earth, and they are capturing the whole earth, even after knowing that this earth, this mother earth, doesn't need human beings. Without human beings also, earth can be as beautiful as it is. But these creatures are the integral part of this earth. Human beings, even after knowing this fact, they are, they are killing animals, they are killing such creatures, and they are putting these creatures in an endangered zone. So this is the actual message that the poet wants to convey. Now let's see what the questions are. These questions will be in your assignments too. First question: how is the society of dolphins more complex? So here you have to write how dolphins, what means, what is their function? How do they work? So you can, in fourth or fifth line, you can see, means how their society is more complex. When they are ill, they care for pregnant. When they care for other dolphins, when they are ill, they care for pregnant mothers. They protect the weakest in the community. So these are the things which tell that their society is more complex than the people previously imagined. Now, the question number two: how does man show his superiority? This is quite an easy one, so I will not give the answer to this question. Do you think that humans are superior to mammals? If not, why? Now, here in this question, you have to present your own opinion. So, everybody's answer, each and everyone's answer can differ. Now, the last one: give a suitable title to the passage. So you have to give a suitable title to this passage. What the means the passage which you have read about dolphins. Now, question number B: find out a suitable word from the passage. Now, let me clear you one thing, students, because you are often confused with this. Here, two questions are there, and these are the meanings. Right? You have to find a word from the passage which means the same. To die being submerged in water. Right? So I'm giving you one answer. This to die is being submerged in water means drowning, and this answer you will get in the second line. You can see drowning sailor, so drowning is the right answer. Second answer I will not tell you. This is your homework, so you will complete on your own. A group of people living in a particular area. What that word is, you have to find out from the passage. Now make meaningful sentences, communicate, and remarkable. So, students, in this video, we have discussed about a passage related to dolphins. In the next video, this video will be continued. In the next video, I will come with a different passage, having a different theme. I hope you understood the things discussed in this video. Having any doubts, ask in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.